would like to explain about how to make chicken cordon bleu. Before that, I'm Lesmana will explain the ingredients to make chicken cordon bleu. There are two kinds of ingredients in this menu. There are chicken breast, smoked beef, versatile flour, wheat flour, kraft quick melt, fish oil, pepper, and the last salt.
Cut the chicken breast in half, then thinly slice the chicken breast in half but don't break it. Wrapping as you want. Flatten it with a meat beater. Sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. Put garlic butter. Then put the bacon, and then cheese, and you can roll it. Mix evenly with egg wash, then all-purpose seasoning flour. Dip it in the beaten egg wash anymore and breadcrumbs. The last, fry the chicken using deep fried technique or with lots of oil.
And then these ingredients to make the sauce are tomato sauce, chili sauce, soya sauce, sweet soya sauce, corn, carrot, beans, onions, and then celery.
First, you have to cut the onion and also the carrot. Then saute both until soft. Add tomato sauce and chili sauce. Add sweet soy sauce and soy sauce. For the last, add salt and pepper to taste.